Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? If you've been keeping up with the channel, you can tell that the sky has cleared quite a bit since the wildfires were in full force. I don't believe that they're 100% contained, but as you can see, they definitely have died down just a bit. The winds haven't been as bad as far as I could tell, and huge hats off to the firefighters in the area for basically putting their life on the line every day to make sure that we're safe. And a lot of people's lives depended on it, their houses depended on it. I mean, it's not even just their houses, because when they have got to evacuate, they've got to leave their stuff. I mean, you can't take everything with you. And it's times like this where you think about what's the most important thing to you. So just a little quick discussion video that I thought I'd throw out there to everybody. And it's kind of akin to like not Treasured Island, Deserted Island, or what do they call that? Basically, if you were stranded on an island, what are the three books that you take with you? I've heard books, I've heard movies. If you could only eat 3 things for the rest of your life, what would they be? And this goes along the same lines, right? So if you had to leave your house in a hurry, what 3 items would you take with you? And this is a big deal because, right, it kind of tells people where your priorities are. And basically, I would say, I won't put a size on it, right? When you're evacuating your house, obviously you're gonna have a little bit of time to gather some things and leave. So anything basically, I guess, that you can get in your car or your truck. It makes me wonder if when you're evacuating for whatever reason, tornado, hurricane. So if you could fit it in your car, if you could fit it in your truck, I would even go as far as say, if you like a moving van. If you could fit it in there, what are the 3 things that you would take with you in the event of a natural disaster? All right, so I'll start the conversation here, since I'm the one asking the questions. So 3 things, and you know what? This is realistic because I didn't even think about this topic until it came out of my mouth. So I'm in the same boat you are. Don't think about it too hard, just put it in the comments. What are the 3 things you would take with you? Now, here's my 3 things. Number 1, my computer, my Mac that I do my editing on, but more so because attached to my Mac is my hard drive, my external hard drive that has my backup, that has all of my pictures, our videos, all those memories that aren't on the cloud. I mean, we've got a lot of stuff on the cloud, but not all of it. So my computer, and that's hard drive included, external hard drive included. Hopefully you guys won't you won't knock me on that one for taking 2 different things, because essentially that is 2 things. But I guess if it came down to it, I can replace the Mac. I can't replace the hard drive with all the stuff on it, so we'll just say the hard drive if we're gonna be nitpicky. All right? Okay, so what else would I take with me? I would say, well, and also this doesn't include your family. Obviously you're gonna take your family, and obviously your family can get in on this discussion, because what's your wife gonna take with her? What's your daughter gonna take with her? Your son? Also, dog, that's a given. We're not talking about pets, because you're gonna take your pets. So we're talking about physical belongings. So the first thing I said was my computer and my hard drive. My second thing would be my movie collection. Now, this is an extensive thing. I know you're gonna say that's more than 1 thing, because you've never seen my house before, but I'm just gonna tell you that we have hundreds of the movies now. It's a bit of an addiction. I know I probably need to go to some rehab for this, because it's out of hand, frankly. But we have a lot of movies, and we have digital copies for several hundred of them, but not all of them for sure. I mean, we're not even close to having all of them on digital. So anyway, I would just take all of them. I would find a big box or multiple boxes. And again, don't get on me for this being several different things. It's my movie collection. It's one thing, okay? So we got my computer and we've got my movie collection, all right? So it's really hard because when everything else is kind of like whatever. So we're gonna say my TV, all right? Because of course you can replace your TV, but that's gonna take time, and I gotta have my TV, man. If I'm gonna take my movies with me, I gotta have my TV. So my TV, there you go. You got my computer, my TV, and my movies. Now you might say, hey, if you got no house, then you got no place to put, I'll find a place to plug that TV in, and we'll play movies, and I'll edit movies, and we'll be good. I got my bike, my backpack with all my GoPro gear in it, and we're all set. There's no worries in my house. Now, also, no cheating on this one. You can't be like, oh, let's have my wife take 3 other things too. No, I want your wife to get in on this too, so have her leave in the comments what 3 things she would take with her in event of a disaster, okay? Make sure you fill her in on the rules, right? Your pet don't count because you can bring your pet. Your backpack, so her purse, that's not one of her things. And obviously your family does not count either, okay? So those are the rules. Leave it in the comments what you would take with you, all right? So still having a little fun, getting some conversation going. By the way, we are at 895 subscribers as of making this movie, so we're gonna break 900 here probably this week, and we're on the stretch run. The last 100 subscribers before we reach 1,000. That's right, 1,000 subscribers. So, guys, I appreciate you. If you're a subscriber, that's awesome. If you're not, hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so you know when new videos are coming out. I usually post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes that'll get switched around, but there's almost always 3 videos out a week. I'm pretty consistent about that. I think it's probably been at least, I'm gonna go out there and say 6 months that you've gotten 3 videos. You've got 3 videos a week for the last 6 months, and there's no stopping in sight. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Click that thumbs up or tap it with your finger if you're on your phone to signify that you liked this video if you did. And if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, which will pop up on the screen right now. I'll also pop up on the screen some links so you can go straight to one of my other videos if you so desire. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I am out.